Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video, I did a full face get ready with me. I played with a lot of lilac in this video. Clearly, I really like how this look came out. I played with some things I haven't tried before. I played with a couple things that I just haven't used in a while, and really like how it all came together. I'm also really excited about this video because it is sponsored by Skillshare. I've worked with Skillshare in the past and I am so thrilled to be working with them again. Skillshare is an online learning community to help inspire creative and curious people such as me, such as you. You're able to discover new skills or maybe just explore more things that are already interesting to you. There are literally so many classes, so many classes, and they're constantly adding more. Anything from houseplants to being productive to photography to illustration to cooking. There's literally everything. There is something for everybody on Skillshare. The class that I recently really enjoyed, I listened to it while I was working out this morning. It is the Ultimate Self-Care Playbook, Discover and Nurture Your Centered Self by Jonathan Van Ness. First off, as soon as I saw that Jonathan had a Skillshare class, I was immediately intrigued because I love Jonathan. I love Queer Eye with my whole heart. I've had Queer Eye in the background so many times because it just makes me feel so good in my soul. Jonathan is such a lovely, wonderful, caring person. And when I saw that Jonathan created an actual self-care class, I was like, sign me up. That is all for me. The way Jonathan speaks is so soothing and so encouraging. It really had me feeling like I do have the power to change the way I think about myself and the way I treat myself. One of the things that really hit home for me was making sure you schedule time to actually focus on yourself and your self-care. Being a hairstylist, I'm scheduling my appointments for my salon. Doing this YouTube thing, I'm scheduling my filming and uploading times, but I've never really actually scheduled self-care, and I feel like that's really important. Jonathan gave so many helpful tips about how to listen to yourself, how to really properly meditate, yoga poses that are really simple but very helpful to keep you grounded, different crafty things you can do, nice little treat yourself spa days, things like that. It was very encouraging, very inspiring, and it has me feeling really good this morning, especially listening to this while I was working out. It was just a really great start to the day. One of the best parts about Skillshare is that because it's curated for learning, there aren't any ads, so you're able to do what I did and just have it on in the background while you are working out or just doing something around the house. You don't have to deal with ads popping up in the middle of it. You can just focus and learn your little heart away. From now until the end of September, the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will receive a 1-month free trial to the premium membership. I'm really excited to be working with Skillshare and sharing this offer with you so you can go and discover some new things. Thank you again so much, Skillshare, for working with me on this video. All right, so before we hop into the makeup, let me just give you my accessory details. My necklace and ring today are from Ana Luisa. My earrings are from Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BEAUTBEAN for 10% off. This is a Christmas brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And this is a Ness brand beanie. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in, play with some makeup, chit chat a little bit, and have some fun. Hello, good morning. We're gonna do our makeup, obviously. I've already primed with the Glossier Futuredew. And I did that before my brows because I like my primer to really sink in. So yeah, brows are done, primer is on. Let's hop into concealer. Still using my Rare Beauty one, 130N. I probably mentioned, but I'm just gonna use this until it's gone because I love it so much. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do today. I know we're playing with lavendery tones, but I don't know exactly what we're doing, so we will just have to see how it goes. I hope you're doing well. Today's my day off. We just have some errands to run today. We have to go to the dentist. We as in Zane and I. I did get my grocery shopping out of the way yesterday, so good on me for getting that done. I knew I would thank myself today if I did it yesterday, so thank you, Betty Jean. I have to go to the salon supply store and pick up some things for my studio. I have to do some laundry, some editing. It's a chores day. We are gonna go see the new Space Jam tonight though. I don't at all expect it to measure up to the original. We just watched the original again last night and it's just so good. It was so iconic. I don't at all expect this one to at all be the same, but I'm still excited to see it. I think it's gonna be cute. We also wanna see Jungle Cruise. We might go see that tomorrow, time permitting. We have that Regal movie pass thing. It's like $20 a month and you can see as many movies as you want. And really, as long as you see 2 movies a month, it pays for itself. So we try to see usually at least 3 movies a month to get more than our money's worth. So yeah, I think we're gonna see Jungle Cruise. I'm torn between if I want to see Old or not. If you've seen Old, let me know if it's good, if you recommend it. I don't know, I keep hearing very polarizing things. My spooky cold brew. It's so good. Let's see. I'm gonna quickly do some bronzer. This is my Milk Makeup Baked Bronzing Stick. I'm gonna use the Alter Ego #2 brush and just help bronze my outer region so I have some dimension to my face. And then we're gonna move right on to powders. We are not using cream blush or highlight today. Are you shocked? I've been on such a cream kick. I feel like I went a little overboard with my bronzer on my nose. I lost the tip of my nose. I have to bring it back. Just gonna add some dimension around the cheeks. Oh, I don't know why, but I have to talk about this. I posted a little TikTok maybe a week or so ago, just like a before and after transformation kind of thing with one of the trendy sounds or whatever. I don't understand TikTok very much as far as how to make them, but I posted a TikTok like before and after decorating my living room for Halloween or something of that nature. That's my best explanation. Really quick while I'm chatting, I'm gonna set my under eyes with the KVD Beauty setting powder. And I posted it and it's kind of blowing up. I did not expect that many people to watch it. It's literally at like almost 130,000 views. I've literally never had that many views on anything I've ever produced in my life, but glad that the Halloween lovers appreciated that. Makes me happy. But of course, like I get random people that are like, it's not even September, or it's not even October, or it's not even fall and stuff like that, which I expect. And I think it's really funny how angry people get when people decorate early for holidays. But regardless, one of the comments I got that had me cracking up, someone said, what about Thanksgiving? And in my mind, I was like, oh, well, you know, like I just kind of go from Halloween to holiday decor. I don't really decorate for Thanksgiving. Like for me, Thanksgiving is holidays, so I'll have my Christmas tree up by then. And as I'm thinking about that, I was like, wait a minute. Thanksgiving's after Halloween. Why are you even pressed about Thanksgiving right now? It was just really funny to me. I'm pretty sure I replied and I was just like, what about Thanksgiving? That has literally nothing to do with this. Oh, it's so funny. All right, and then just my perimeters. I'm gonna use my NYX High Glass powder that I broke, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna have to just carefully kind of press on top of my broken bits and break it even more apparently. I already have 2 others of this because I bought 3 because there was a big sale and I'm scared that they're gonna discontinue it. So I bought 3 of them. So I have more, but I'm still gonna use this one till it's gone, even if it's broken. It's fine, it still works. It's just not travel friendly. All right, for blush, in the Colourpop Lilac You A Lot bundle, the blush Petal Pusher was in it. This very cool toned, almost lavendery pink color. Not a color I go for blush very often, but we're gonna do it today. We're just gonna do it up with some cool toned pinky lavendery shades. I even have a very cool toned light baby pink wig that I'm gonna wear today. It's gonna be pretty cute. Very different vibe than I've been feeling lately. I'm very much in the longing for autumn vibes, but this will be fun too. It is still technically summer, so we'll play with some bright things. I actually really like this blush shade. I think this is gorgeous. It's very just soft and pretty. Almost has a glow to it. It's not shimmery at all, but it almost has a glowingness to it. Glowingness, that's a word. I know words, I know grammar. Yeah, I'm really not minding this color. I think that's really pretty. I wasn't scared of it. I didn't think it was gonna look bad. I just didn't think I was going to prefer it, but it's actually quite nice. What are you up to today? How's your day going? Tell me something new that happened to you this week. Whether it's something new that happened, something you learned, I'd love to know. Just gonna quickly take my brush that I had with my bronzer stick, no additional product, just to make sure this is all mushed together nicely. All right, some Freckles. I got my Freck XL right here. I'm not gonna do anything too wild. I'm just going to add my fake beauty mark, enhance the ones that I do have. And then I just wanna add a few around the nose. I don't think I'm gonna go too ham today. I'm so excited for the new Candyman movie. Have you seen the trailer for it? It looks so good. It's gonna be amazing. I wish it could have come out last year. That's okay, it's gonna be fantastic when it does come out. I literally just said I'm only gonna do a couple freckles around the nose, and here I am. I just went into autopilot. And I'm really excited for the new Halloween. It takes place immediately after that last one that they released like 2 or 3 years ago. I'm pretty excited for it. I mean, I just love anything Halloween related or spooky. All right, for highlight, I was thinking the Oden's Eye Norns highlight in the shade Web of Destiny would be really pretty with these colors, so that's what we're gonna use. I'm gonna use this Kaleidos H2 highlight brush. Just wiggle my brush in there. Just go to town building this up on the cheeks. Probably gonna layer a good amount because this is a pretty sparkly highlight and I really want my cheeks to be, I don't know, a little extra. I always feel like I have such a extra boost of energy and just an extra good mindset when I start my day off exercising. I'm really glad I went on a run this morning. I almost didn't. So I had a lot to cram into this morning before leaving for the dentist, but I'm happy that I did it. Let me just keep layering this highlight forever. It's so pretty. And now for setting spray, I did finish up that 4th Ray Beauty one, so now I'm gonna bust out my unopened Milk Hydrogrip setting spray. It's one of my favorites. I've already gone through one of these. It's just so good. The mister is so refreshing. Ooh, that's lovely. All right, let's jump into the eyes. I'm gonna use the Lilac You A Lot palette, and this is absolutely stunning in person. I didn't realize how pretty these shimmers were. So I'm really excited to try this palette out because I've yet to use this one before in my life. I guess I'm priming both eyes. I meant to just do one. We're off to a great start. That's my Smashbox lid primer in lights. You can prime your eyes with whatever you want to prime with, whatever your preference is. So I want to quickly just start with this lavendery shade here called Zoned Out. And I just want to focus a little swirl of that in my outer corner. This is a Spectrum B06 brush. So I want to do a look where it's very smoky, kind of near my lash line and in the outer corner. And then just little pops of shimmer. I have a vision. I don't really know how to put it into words though. So I'm just gonna kind of focus this right here, kind of close to my lashes, and then building up almost in like a big blown out wing kind of a way. You know what, let me zoom you in a little bit. Hi, how's it going? Up close and personal. So yeah, I'm just kind of focusing it right there. Oh my gosh, you see how my bangs are like poking out of my headband? Oh, that's rich. I guess I'll just do both eyes at the same time today. Why not? We're just doing things in all sorts of orders today that I normally do. So now I'm gonna take Iffy here, and I just have to tell you, I did not read that as Iffy at first. I read it as like an acronym, IFFY, and I was like, what does that stand for? I'm gonna take this Alter Ego number 11 brush, and again, kind of focusing it in that same area, like really, really close to my lash line, almost as if I was doing like a smoky wing. I mean, that's kind of what I wanna do. I guess that's my best way to describe it. I want a purpley smoky wing today. Put a little against the lower lash line. I don't want a ton of lower lash line stuff going on today though. I'm gonna take that Spectrum brush again with some more of Zoned Out, and we're just gonna swirl again. Just kind of roughly blending around it. I'm not really being precise because I want this to be just kind of a diffused, messy sort of thing. I'm liking these colors though. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a black eye pencil. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in the shade, don't know what you are called. It's called Zero. My thumb was covering it. So what I wanna do is I just wanna kind of just like create a little bit of a sloppy outer half of a wing, like nothing too big or winged out. I mean, winged out a little bit, but not like a regular, like full-on winged liner. Just like a little bit of like smudginess against like that top corner. Not all the way across either, just focused on the outer part. And then I'm gonna take Iffy again on that little blending brush. And then I'm just gonna go to town. Just trying to smoke and smudge and blend this little section. Scooted you back a smidge because I felt like my camera was having a really hard time focusing on me being that close. It's like, you better get away from me, back up, you're in my personal space. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep dipping into Iffy and just lightly smoking right where that black is and just really dragging it up and out. Stuff like this takes a little bit of patience because you kind of just have to like slowly work at it and build it up. I know pulling on your eye is not what you're supposed to do, but sometimes you gotta. Gonna take Zoned Out again and just kind of do the same thing, focusing up and out. I'm gonna layer some shimmers on next, so this little front portion isn't that important. I mostly just want this shape out here. I'm liking that. I think that's really pretty. So now I just have this little brush from Colourpop. It's an E26, just like a dense little packing brush. And I'm gonna take a little bloop of my NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm just gonna kind of pop it just kind of here, kind of right next to all that stuff that was happening, and bringing it down. I do not want this all the way up at all. I want this focused very low. And then I'm gonna start first with Fluff, this beautiful shimmer right here. I'm just gonna dip in with that same sticky brush, and I want that to just go kind of right here, just to kind of build right next to what I was just working on. And then I'm gonna flip the brush over and dip into Wake Me right here, this lovely pinky purple duochrome. And that is gonna go right next to it in the front. Again, following that same kind of shape where it's just kind of like a really soft, winged out type of shape. And I'm just gonna make sure those shimmers are mushed together nicely. And then I'm gonna take my little pencil brush and just make sure this is all blending nice still. Right there. And then again, just a little bit more of Zoned Out just to go to town once more on this outer area. Ooh, I really like that. And then for my inner corner, I'm thinking Cloud will be absolutely stunning. So let's do it. Ooh, yes, it's sparkly and bright. It's really pretty. All right, so I'm gonna finish this eye because I obviously just committed to the one eye. There are two eye pencils in this collection. We have Piggy Bank and Amethyst Hour. I might do both, honestly. And then there's two lip oils in this collection. We have Rosebud and Paper Pansy. I'm thinking I'll do Rosebud today with a lip pencil. But I'm gonna make all those decisions, pop on lashes and my wig, obviously. I'll just be back when I'm complete. All right, and here's my look complete. I think it's so pretty. I just really like this emphasis on my lash line and kind of smoking it out. I think it's really pretty. Really liking these lavender vibes. I think it's really cute. So for my eye pencil, I did use both. I used Piggy Bank on the outer half of my waterline and Amethyst Hour on the inner part of my waterline. My lashes are the style Nova from Lunar Beauty, and then my lip combo I actually love a lot. It's very simple, but I think it's really pretty and it goes with this look really nicely. I used the Boys Town pencil from Colourpop with that Rosebud lip oil from the bundle. And while this doesn't like pull super lavender on the lips, it does have a little bit of that just slight sheen to it. And I don't know, this overall lip combo I think is really, really cute. So I'm quite happy with this look. Let me zoom out and we will finish up this video. All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you like my look. I had a lot of fun creating this. I feel very cute and I had fun playing with some of these products. I'm very impressed with that Lilac palette, much more than I initially thought I would be. I don't know, it was just never one I felt like I needed to pick up, so I'm just very grateful that this bundle exists and they sent it to me because otherwise I might not have ever tried it, and I'm really feeling this look. Again, a huge thank you to Skillshare for working with me on this video, and just a reminder to you that from now through September, the first 1,000 people to click the link in my description box will receive a 1-month free trial to the membership. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave me a purple emoji for obvious reasons, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BEAUTBEAN. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.